How's it going, everyone? Soba here, and I'm super excited to be launching our Market Masters VIP community. To join Market Masters VIP, you will have to go through our Whop store, which will be linked in the VIP store channel. This is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to join our VIP via Whop and how to connect your Discord account so you get access to all of the VIP channels and features right away. The first step is to click on our Whop store page in the VIP store channel on our Discord server. You will then be directed to a page that looks like this. Click on join now and select the option that you prefer. Remember to use our launch promo codes VIP30 for 30% off monthly, quarterly, and annual options, and lifetime 50 to get 50% off our lifetime subscription. Note that there will only be 200 spots available for our lifetime option. The lifetime option will then be closed, and if we do add more spots in the future, it will start at 1800 and will only increase as we continue to scale and add value to our community. Once you've selected your option, hit continue. You will then be able to select your payment option and fill out your payment details. Don't forget to scroll down and hit add promo code to use the launch promos. After you've typed in the promo code, don't forget to hit apply. And once everything is ready, just hit join. After you've clicked join, you will now see that you own the product and you will see this Discord icon up here. So click on the Discord icon and then hit connect account. You will then be redirected to Discord where you can authorize Whop to be able to add you to the VIP community. Simply scroll down and click authorize. You will then be redirected back to Whop and finally click claim access. You will then be redirected back to Discord where you will see all of the VIP channels. If you're still having difficulties with Whop or you're unable to check out with Whop, create a ticket and we will help sort everything out. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the VIP community.